Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by linking an eligible card and turning on offers so cashback can be tracked. Open Google Pay, add or confirm your debit or credit card, and complete verification via OTP or microdeposit. This step lets Google match purchases to rewards. Once done, enable cashback and promotional notifications in settings so you won't miss limited time rates. Make sure the card you link is accepted for the merchant categories that typically carry cashback. You now earn cashback by choosing offers and paying with Google Pay where the promotion applies. Open offers, add the specific deal to your account, then pay using Tap to Pay in-app or online with the linked card. This ensures the transaction ties to the offer. Once you complete a purchase, check activity to confirm the merchant category and amount match the offer. This helps you know why cashback posted or didn't. If needed, keep receipts until rewards show up. To finish, monitor the stated processing window. Cashback normally posts as a Google Pay balance or statement credit depending on the offer. If rewards don't appear after that period, gather your receipt, transaction ID, merchant name, and timestamp. This evidence speeds resolution. Then contact Google Pay support through the app and provide those details. If the issuer handles statement credits, make sure to escalate to your bank. One key tip: screenshots of the active offer and final receipt fix most disputes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.